Hey everyone, Awesome for Kids here, and happy holidays! Christmas is coming real soon, so we decided to do a holiday special and make some Play-Doh rainbow candy canes. Let's have all the Play-Doh cans pop out, and we'll begin. Alright, start with this ball of red Play-Doh. Roll it with both of my palms for a bit, and then shape it into the cylinder-like shape. Now I'll need a little bit of white Play-Doh. Roll it out. Until it looks like this. We'll need one more. Okay, we're finally done prepping. It's time to make the Play-Doh candy cane. Just attach the white Play-Doh pieces on both sides. And then I'll roll it out with my palm to turn it into a skinny stick. Alright, now I just need to shape it a bit and then it'll be finished. Perfect! Here's a red candy cane. Now I'll do the same thing I just did with the red candy cane, but this time I'll be using orange Play-Doh. Are you guys excited for Christmas? I am! What Christmas gifts did you wish for this year? I hope all of your Christmas wishes come true. Alright, let me just continue making this. Nice! Here's an orange candy cane. Now I'll go ahead and create a yellow one. Give me a few moments while I make it. Here's the beautiful yellow candy cane. Alright, time to make a green one. I just want to say these are super easy to make and a fun activity to do with your friends and family during the holidays. Give it a try. Making these colorful candy canes will put you right in the Christmas spirit. Alright, I'm almost finished. Here's the green candy cane. Time to make a blue one. I'll make it in a jiffy. Ooh, this blue one looks nice. I'll make one more candy cane. Making all of these Play-Doh ones makes me want to go eat a real candy cane. I think I'll have to go out and buy one after this. And here's a purple colored candy cane. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon. Play-Doh magically pop out. Hey everyone, Awesome for Kids here. And today we're going to learn colors by making Play-Doh rainbow popsicles. Let's start with this ball of red Play-Doh. These Play-Doh rainbow popsicles are really easy to make if you have a 3D book mold. I got this from one of the Play-Doh sets. While I make this popsicle, how about we name some things that are red? Apples are red. Strawberries are red. What else? Fire trucks are red. Marshall from Paw Patrol has a red outfit. And stop signs are red. Now it's your turn. Keep listing things that are red until I finish making this. Oh, sorry to interrupt if you're listing things off, but I just wanted to add that you'll also need some popsicle sticks to complete this. And it's finished! Here is a red popsicle. Hopefully you're able to list off a lot of things that are red. Now let's use this orange Play-Doh to make another popsicle. Okay, time to name some things that are orange. An orange is orange. Carrots are orange. So are pumpkins. Tigger from Winnie the Pooh is also orange. Now it's your turn. Name as many as you can while I finish this up. Perfect! Here is an orange popsicle. Now let's move on to the color yellow. You know the drill. I'll start this off. Let's see. Lemons are yellow. SpongeBob SquarePants is yellow. Bananas are yellow. And minions who love bananas are also yellow.
Banana!
Okay, it's your turn again. Start listing them off. Another one complete. Here is a yellow popsicle. Let's keep this going. Our next color is green. I'll start it off once again. Granny Smith apples are green. Four-leaf clovers. Oh, kiwis are green. And Gecko from PJ Masks is green. You ready to list off what you know? Alright, go! Okay! Check out this perfect green popsicle! The next color we'll be checking out is blue. Oh, I know some things that are blue. Catboy from PJ Masks is blue. Chase from Paw Patrol has a blue outfit. And blueberries are blue. I'm sure you know a lot of things that are blue too. Start listing it! And it's finished. Here is a blue popsicle. We have one more color to go. This is the color purple. Now let's see. Grapes are purple. Twilight Sparkle from My Little Pony is purple. And we can't forget Sophia the First. She has a purple amulet. Now it's your turn. Clean this up a bit. And here is the purple popsicle. High five! We did it! Wait! We're not finished yet. Let's make one more popsicle. It's gonna be a rainbow one. Minus an actual rainbow. It's going to be pretty hard to name some things that are rainbow. But if you can, give it a try. Ta-da! Here is a rainbow popsicle. Hope you enjoyed this learning activity. Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.